Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg upperi. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 6 hard-boiled eggs, peeled and chopped into small pieces. Also, prepare 1 large onion, finely chopped, and 2 green chilies slit lengthwise. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and a few fresh curry leaves. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start cooking our delicious egg upperi. First, heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan over a medium flame. Once the oil is warm, add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds. Next, add your finely chopped onions and the slit green chilies to the pan. Sauté these aromatics gently, stirring occasionally until the onions become soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Vitamin B12 injections provide a direct and highly effective method of delivery, bypassing the digestive system entirely. This ensures that the full dose of B12 is absorbed directly into the bloodstream, making them particularly beneficial for individuals with severe deficiencies or conditions that impair absorption, such as pernicious anemia. Injections are typically administered by a healthcare professional, often on a weekly or monthly schedule, depending on the severity of the deficiency. While less convenient than tablets, their superior absorption makes them invaluable in specific medical situations. We're almost done with our delightful egg upperi. For a final burst of freshness and aroma, add a few fresh curry leaves to the pan. Continue to cook the mixture for another 2 to 3 minutes, stirring very gently to avoid breaking the eggs too much. Finally, season with salt to taste, adjusting the amount to your liking. Serve this hot and flavorful egg upperi as a wonderful side dish with your favorite rice, roti, or bread. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.